Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So last Halloween, I did a toxic zombie makeup using rice as my prosthetics. Rice is safe, versatile, and perfect for sensitive skin, so I wanted to do another fun look using this ingredient. And with the scariest night of the year just around the corner, I thought, what better time to send in the clowns? This look is a creepy, glam take on a Halloween classic, and I hope you have fun trying it out. So, let's get started. First, I'm using pureed rice to sculpt in a Glasgow smile, angling up from the corners of my lips towards my ears. While that dries, I'm applying double eyelid tape to my eyes to create a higher crease. Next, I'm applying moisturizer before applying a green primer to cancel out any redness. I'm then applying a foundation lighter than my skin tone before gently buffing on white foundation. The look is matte, so I'm pressing setting powder on my whole face before smoothing down my brows with the white eyelash primer. I'm then redrawing the hairs with rainbow colors. For those with sensitive skin, skip the costume paint and instead use different colored lip stains and eyeliners to draw in your brows. Next, I'm pressing on a cerulean blue eyeshadow all across my eyelids before deepening the outer and inner corners of my eyes with a navy blue eyeshadow. To avoid fallout, I'm pressing the brush firmly against my eyelids before blending out the colors. I'm then applying a silvery blue eyeshadow to my brow bone and the inner corners of my eyes before blending out the edges with a sky blue color. The rice is now tacky, so I'm using a sharp edge to carve out the Glasgow smile before stitching the cuts together with staples. Be sure to only press the staples into the rice to avoid scratching your skin. Back to the eyes, I'm lining my upper lash lines with black liner before using white liner to overdraw my bottom lash lines. I'm then using the sky blue from earlier to shadow in my new bottom lash lines. I'm topping just the center of my eyelids with a green chrome loose powder before applying false lashes. I flipped the bottom lashes to curve inwards along the new lash lines and cleaned up the edges with the black liquid liner. I'm then using a gray sculpting powder to contour my face and nose as a ghoulish contrast against the pale skin. For blush, I'm dusting on a deep red color high along my cheekbones before blending the color on my nose and chin. I'm using a pink chrome loose powder to highlight my cheekbones and clown nose. Using a black liner, I'm sketching out 4 triangles around my eye and shading them in with a black eyeshadow. I want the look to be asymmetrical, so I'm making the triangles around my other eye a bit smaller before dotting all of the triangles with rhinestones. For lips, I'm first using a burgundy liner before applying a red liquid lipstick. To give my lips some depth, I'm applying an oxblood red to just the center of my lips before using the same colors to paint my Glasgow smile. Finally, I'm applying a silver cream eyeshadow on top of the staples to make them pop against the reds. And that's it! If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Also leave any thoughts or suggestions for more makeup looks in the comments down below. See you soon!